how much Norse influence, if anything, is Gaelic language?
So the one that I'm about to do, actually, the vocables, the words that don't mean anything.
Right.
One of the things that I was told by a Gaelic singer once is the difference between some of the Irish vocables and the Scottish vocables is the Scottish vocables are more of a Norse influence. So the vocables that we're going to do in this next one, my understanding was they're more of a Norse influence. So, and for your, I do know that this one I'm about to do, that Norcock MacFarlane wrote the tune, but interestingly enough, you see different variations of this tune. One of them, Anna Borak, you know Anna Borak? She sings a jazz version of this song that I'm not even going to try to attempt. I don't do justice to the tune, but you can help along with this one too. The vocables are fali, 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 oro. Fali, 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 oro. So again, I don't do justice to the tune, but you can try to follow that when we get to the chorus. Satalom anoi kayari. Sanaika Preriromi Ska Koinam Chiendu Tremi Fali 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 Oro Fali 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 Oro Fali 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 Oro Stien Lankien Vohiag Miloa Nam Dom Yaskara Vikira Strika Dios Antian sorry Strika Dios Spirit Kiana Munya Kangel Kianan Kianwam Param Vietnam Golaheli Fali 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 Oro Fali 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 Oro Fali 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 Oro Skien Nankien Vohiag Miloa. So what the song is about is someone who has left Scotland and has gone to another country to work. And now sees nothing in front of him but a brown prairie and doesn't hear the waves coming to the shore as he did on his island at one point. And one of the things that I find the most interesting about this is the first verse speaks all about geography. He's talking specifically, he cannot hear the waves coming ashore anymore. All he sees ahead of him is a big brown prairie. He doesn't understand where he is. He doesn't feel good about where he is. The second tune also says that when it gets dark at night and his heart is heavy and so forth, he also he's not where he wants to be, but he actually doesn't say geographic stuff that way. It's all kind of emotional stuff. So in a sense, you could say that he doesn't like being where he is, he misses where he used to be, but he also, he isn't right, he isn't where he wants to be in life. At this point in the second verse. And there's a word used at the very end, Kaylee, that often is thought here as kind of a gathering, a gathering of people singing songs and this kind of thing. So why is he using it here? Someone made a joke about this once. He seems to want to go to on a Kaylee from what the sentence said. So the translation I got from this, understood from what I was told, is that the specific sense here, he's saying that a Kaylee is where you feel right, where you feel at home. A Kaylee means to visit. So when you visit, you are with people that you care about. And so at the very end, he says, Farum Bavian Nam Bulakeli. So he's saying, I want to be